Marami tayong gulay, pampahaba ng buhay. Ganda ng kulay. Sweet peppers, cucumber, and radish. Meron tayong mixed vegetable salad, mixed vegetable frozen siya. Ito mint, spinach, coriander, onion, green onion mix, and then lettuce for salad. Meron din tayong